Good morning, everybody. It is the week between Christmas and New Year's. I have the day off today. I've actually been having some medical issues with my stomach. We won't get too far into that. I have a CT scan scheduled for next week, so I just took the day off. I just need some relaxation. I'm going to walk around here, the South Coast Botanic Garden. We're here for their Nature Pop exhibit. It is over 40 huge art installations from artist Kenney made out of Legos, all animals, nature related. Very, very excited about this. And as you walk around the 87 acres here at the garden in the Palos Verdes Peninsula, you will see some installations for their nighttime exhibit put on by Moment Factory and Fever called Astrolumina. And if you have not heard about that or have not seen it, you have to check out my video from opening night of that. It is phenomenal. I can't even describe to you. And as you see some of the installations for that, you're like, that doesn't look so great. But when you come at night, what they do with light and sound, I cannot even describe. So let's go check out these 40 plus Lego exhibits hidden here throughout the South Coast Botanic Garden. And it did rain this morning and it's partially drizzly, so it's pretty quiet. Let's go check this out and see if we can get out of here before it rains again. That eagle we saw had 22,000 bricks and took 77 hours to build. This fox, 18,100 bricks and it took 66 hours. So you figure if there's 40 sculptures, how many thousands of hours that took. And they also have this nature resolution hunt. You can read more about the animals and make a New Year's resolution. The sign says tortoises do not worry because they have everything within themselves. That's a good resolution. I don't know if I could exactly live by that, but it's a good resolution. The dragonfly took how many hours? Let's go see. 284 hours it took to do that dragonfly. It's a lot of patience and a lot of Legos. Now, there is no wrong way to do this trail because it is on pavement. As you saw, there is a tram that runs if you're unable to do about the mile walk. It is slight inclines on this pavement along the tram road, but if you do need assistance on select days, they do have the tram. I would contact the garden to make sure that's running on the day that you plan on coming. Also scattered throughout the garden is Hide and Seek, which is Art in the Garden, which is their permanent installation. When I come in, I always go to the left when I do these exhibits. Everybody seems to have gone to the right because the signs are actually pointing the opposite direction. So I may be doing this backwards, but you can't really miss Indian if you stay on the main tram road, which is paved and has a green line down the middle. And look while you're here, if you haven't been here for that, I do have a video for the Hide and Seek also. But there are giant sculptures. There's actually one right across from me there. Can you see it? Oh, right there, right there. And there's actually one on the other side behind those. I believe those are cypress trees. So make sure you check those out when you're here as well. 4 more stops left. That is it here from the South Coast Botanic Garden. A beautiful afternoon. Did not rain, so that was good. Just saw nature pop. Check out Art in the Garden, Astrolumina at night, and then they have a Lunar New Year celebration coming up in January. Just renewed my passes, so we'll definitely be back next year. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll link all of our other videos from here at the South Coast Botanic Garden down in the description. Check out the beautiful rose garden. That is it. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.